Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today as we explore how to maximize business intelligence using Power BI apps. Today's presentation is titled Maximizing Business Intelligence with Power BI Apps, and we'll be looking at how these tools can streamline data access, enhance collaboration, and deliver automated insights. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover key strategies and practical tips to help you make more informed decisions. So let's get started. Let's delve into the role of Power BI apps in today's business landscape. Organizations can leverage these tools to stay competitive and agile in a rapidly changing environment. By providing real-time insights, Power BI apps enable teams to respond quickly to market shifts and operational changes. This capability fosters a culture of data-driven decision-making, empowering organizations to act strategically and confidently. When teams have access to up-to-date information, they can make informed decisions that drive success. In our fast-paced world, timely access to data is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Power BI apps streamline the sharing of insights by offering real-time data access and automated reports, helping organizations stay connected and responsive at all times. On this slide, we're looking at the key benefits of Power BI apps and how they can help us maximize our business intelligence. As we explore these features, you'll see how they work together to accelerate decision-making and boost organizational agility. First, let's talk about accelerated decision-making. Power BI apps enable automated reporting, which significantly reduces manual errors and saves us time. Instead of manually generating reports, we can schedule their distribution, streamlining workflows and ensuring critical information is delivered consistently and on time. This means decisions are based on the most current data, quickly and efficiently. Next, we have live alerts for responsiveness. These notifications keep stakeholders informed about important changes as they happen. Whether it's a key metric shifting or an unexpected issue, stakeholders can respond promptly, making our organization more agile and responsive to the environment around us. Finally, centralized dashboards play a crucial role. They bring together key metrics into one unified view, preventing outdated or conflicting reports. This central hub ensures everyone has access to accurate, up-to-date information, which is essential for making informed decisions across the organization. Overall, these features work in harmony to enhance our ability to make smarter, faster decisions and stay ahead in a competitive landscape. Let's talk about effective distribution strategies to maximize the power of business intelligence with Power BI apps. First, centralizing reports and dashboards is crucial. By bringing everything into one accessible location, we make it easier for teams to find and use the data they need. Providing consistent access to relevant information ensures that everyone, from sales to operations, is on the same page and making informed decisions. Cross-team alignment is also essential. When teams share insights seamlessly, it fosters better collaboration and reduces silos. Timely delivery of insights is another key point. We want stakeholders to receive updates when they need them, not days later. That's where leveraging Microsoft 365 tools like SharePoint, Teams, and Excel plays a big role. These tools help enhance collaboration, making it simple to share and discuss data in real time. Automating workflows ensures that the right data reaches the right people at exactly the right time, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Finally, integrating Power BI with organization apps and other Microsoft 365 tools creates a cohesive environment. This integration supports a streamlined process, from data collection to distribution, ultimately empowering teams to act faster and more confidently. All of these strategies together help us not only distribute data effectively, but also turn insights into actionable outcomes. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key benefits of Power BI integration. First, insights are shared promptly across platforms, which means that teams can access the latest data and insights in real time. This helps everyone stay aligned and well-informed, enabling faster decision-making. Next, we have real-time data updates. Tasks like exporting reports or refreshing data are now automated, saving us valuable time and significantly reducing the potential for errors. Automation like this keeps our data current without adding extra workload. Moving on to automated workflows, interactive reports play a crucial role here. They facilitate teamwork by making it easier for team members to collaborate and explore data together. This streamlining of collective decision-making ultimately leads to more informed and confident choices. All these benefits tie back to our overall goal, maximizing the power of business intelligence through Power by Apps. By integrating these features, we're creating a more agile, collaborative, and data-driven organization. Now, let's look at some practical steps to maximize your business intelligence with Power by Apps. First, creating audience groups is essential. By grouping users based on their roles, you can deliver insights that are specifically tailored to their responsibilities. This means that each user gets relevant information without unnecessary clutter, making their decision-making more effective. Next, leveraging Power Automate allows you to build workflows that automate repetitive tasks. For instance, you can schedule report deliveries, which not only saves time, but also ensures that your team stays updated without manual intervention. Automation helps streamline your processes and boost overall efficiency. Finally, integrating Power BI with other Microsoft tools like SharePoint, Teams, and Excel creates a seamless environment for data sharing and collaboration. This integration ensures that your data is accessible across platforms, fostering better teamwork and more unified insights. These steps are all about making your data work smarter for you, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of empowering better business decisions through effective use of Power BI. Let's take a closer look at organization apps and how they help maximize business intelligence with Power BI. Essentially, these apps make it much easier for users to access insights and analytics without getting lost in a sea of reports and dashboards. They create a cohesive environment where everything is organized, making it simpler to interact with the data that matters most. One of the key benefits is the streamlined user experience. With organization apps, users can navigate and find reports more efficiently, which saves time and reduces frustration. Plus, they support data security through managed permissions, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access sensitive information. This is crucial for maintaining compliance with organizational policies and regulatory standards. Another important point is data consistency. When everyone works from the same up-to-date data, it significantly enhances collaboration. Decision-making becomes more straightforward because all stakeholders are looking at the same information, reducing confusion and discrepancies. Finally, organization apps serve as a centralized platform for insights. They package related reports and dashboards into a single, structured environment. This consolidation simplifies access and distribution, making it easier for teams to stay aligned and informed. Overall, organization apps in Power BI are a powerful way to streamline access, ensure security, and promote collaboration, all essential elements for effective business intelligence. Now, let's explore how we can maximize our business intelligence with Power by Apps. One key aspect is enabling users to share and build content using semantic models. This means empowering your team to collaborate more effectively by making data more accessible and easier to understand. Fostering a data-driven culture is crucial. By encouraging everyone to leverage insights, we can make smarter, more informed decisions across the organization. Collaboration plays a vital role here, so creating an environment where sharing insights is seamless helps accelerate innovation. To protect sensitive information, applying role-based access controls is essential. This way, we ensure that only authorized users can view or modify certain data, maintaining compliance with organizational policies. Managing permissions carefully keeps our data secure while still being accessible to those who need it. Another important point is grouping related content. By organizing reports and dashboards logically, we reduce complexity and help users find what they need more quickly. Improving navigation enhances the overall user experience, making Power by Apps more intuitive and user-friendly. Finally, implementing organization-specific apps allows us to tailor solutions to our unique needs, streamlining how we distribute and access our data assets. When we combine these strategies, we create a more collaborative, secure, and efficient environment for leveraging Power BI to drive our business forward. Now, let's talk about the role of dashboards in sharing insights. Dashboards are incredibly powerful tools for accelerating informed decision-making because they present data in a way that's easy to understand at a glance. Instead of getting lost in piles of raw data, users can quickly grasp the key points and focus on what's truly important. They help us zero in on actionable insights without the need for extensive analysis, making our decision process much more efficient. Think of dashboards as a consolidated view of the most critical metrics and insights. This means you can identify trends and spot anomalies almost instantly. A well-designed dashboard essentially tells a story with data, so you get the big picture immediately, reducing the time and effort spent sifting through multiple reports. In the end, dashboards are all about making complex information accessible and actionable, aligning perfectly with the goal of maximizing business intelligence. Let's talk about some key principles for designing effective dashboards with Power BI. First, it's really important to choose visualizations that are clear and easy to interpret. We want to avoid unnecessary complexity because a straightforward layout makes the dashboard much more user-friendly and accessible. Next, organizing your information from the top left to the bottom right aligns with how people naturally scan content on a screen. This flow helps users absorb the data more intuitively and efficiently. Another crucial point is highlighting key data points. Using card visualizations to emphasize important metrics allows users to immediately grasp the most critical information at a glance, enhancing decision-making speed. Then, there's the idea of using full-screen mode whenever possible. This minimizes distractions and helps users focus entirely on the data presented, making their analysis more effective. Finally, aim to tell a story on a single screen. Display all the essential information without forcing users to scroll or click around. When everything is visible at once, it's much easier for them to understand the overall message and purpose of the dashboard quickly. Together, these principles help maximize the power of your BI tools and ensure your dashboards truly support strategic insights. Now, let's talk about customization options within Power BI dashboards and how they can really boost your business intelligence efforts. Customization is all about tailoring the dashboards to meet specific needs, and that makes a huge difference in user engagement. When dashboards are personalized, stakeholders can explore data more effectively and efficiently because they see the information that matters most to them. One key way to achieve this is by adding filters and slicers. These tools make data exploration interactive, allowing users to drill down into details or focus on particular segments with ease. It helps everyone find the insights they need without confusion or clutter. Another important aspect is visual customization. Power BI lets you adjust colors, fonts, and layouts, so your dashboards aren't just functional, but also visually consistent with your organization's branding and style. This not only creates a professional look, but also makes the dashboards more intuitive and easier to navigate. In essence, these customization options help ensure that your dashboards are not only informative, but also engaging and aligned with your business identity. When users can personalize their experience, they're more likely to interact with the data and make smarter, data-driven decisions. Now, let's talk about how we can share dashboards securely while still making sure they're accessible to the right people. We have several methods at our disposal, including direct sharing, embedding dashboards within applications, and assigning workspace roles. Each of these approaches helps us strike a balance between accessibility and security. The key is to choose the right method based on who needs access and the level of sensitivity of the information. For example, sharing directly with individuals or groups can be very effective, especially when we leverage Office 365 groups. This allows us to manage permissions efficiently and makes collaboration straightforward, all while maintaining control over who can see what. Another important aspect is managing access through role-based permissions. This means we can assign different levels of access depending on the user's role, like viewer, contributor, or admin. This way, we protect sensitive data by ensuring only authorized people can view or modify specific parts of the dashboard. In essence, the goal here is to maximize the value of our business intelligence tools like Power BI, while safeguarding our information. By carefully balancing sharing methods with security controls, we can empower our teams to collaborate effectively without risking data breaches or unauthorized access. Power BI maintains robust data security even when enabling collaboration. This means that users can confidently share reports and work together without worrying about exposing sensitive information. It's all about balancing openness with security. When it comes to collaboration, direct sharing within Power BI allows for real-time teamwork. You can work together seamlessly on insights and reports, making the process more dynamic and efficient. Additionally, Power BI enhances teamwork by allowing dashboards to be embedded into custom applications or websites. This is done with controlled authentication, ensuring that only authorized users can access the data. Overall, these features support a collaborative environment that is both secure and flexible, aligning perfectly with the goal of maximizing business intelligence through Power BI. Now, let's talk about creating engaging training materials for Power BI adoption. It's really important to develop content that uses visuals, real-world examples, and interactive elements. These should be tailored to different skill levels so that everyone, from beginners to advanced users, can benefit. When we make training materials engaging and accessible, we help users stay motivated and learn more effectively. Moving on, for report builders, we need to offer specialized training on advanced topics like Power Query, coding, and DAX. These skills are the key to creating complex, insightful reports that truly add value to the business. Equipping users with these advanced tools empowers them to take their analysis to the next level. Finally, we shouldn't forget the fundamentals. Providing general courses on core concepts, such as data connection and visualization basics, is essential. Effective training on these fundamentals ensures that everyone starts with a solid understanding, which is crucial for maximizing Power BI's potential across the organization. Let's talk about how we can encourage user engagement through various strategies. First, promoting the sharing of experiences and tips helps create a collaborative learning environment. When users share what they've learned or discovered, it fosters a sense of community and makes everyone more engaged. Next, regularly updating our training resources is crucial. As new features and best practices emerge, keeping our materials current ensures users stay informed and can use Power BI more effectively. It's all about supporting continuous learning. Lastly, establishing help desks or support teams provides ongoing assistance. These dedicated teams ensure that users get timely help when they need it, which keeps engagement high and users confident in their ability to leverage Power BI. Together, these approaches build a stronger, more collaborative user community that benefits everyone. Now, let's talk about maximizing business intelligence with Power BI apps on mobile. First, it's important to optimize report design for mobile readability. This means creating reports that are easy to read and navigate on smaller screens, and testing them across different devices to ensure a consistent experience. Next, I want to emphasize the importance of educating users about offline limitations. While Power BI Mobile does allow offline access to reports, there are some restrictions to keep in mind. For instance, not all features may be available offline, so understanding these limitations helps set realistic expectations. Moving on, stay informed with alerts and notifications. These are powerful features that keep you updated on important changes in your data, allowing you to act quickly and stay on top of your business metrics. Finally, Power BI Mobile also offers interactive reports. Users can drill down into data, explore details, and gain insights while on the go. This interactivity makes it easier to make data-driven decisions anytime, anywhere. All in all, by focusing on these best practices, we can truly leverage Power by Apps to enhance our business intelligence efforts wherever we are. Now, let's look at how automating data distribution can really enhance your business intelligence efforts. Scheduled reports and Power Automate workflows are game changers. They make sharing data much simpler and more efficient. These tools help organizations automate and streamline their reporting processes, reducing manual effort and saving time. When we talk about streamlining with scheduled reports, the idea is that automation allows large teams to receive the right data at the right time without any extra effort. This scalability is crucial because as your organization grows, so does the need for efficient data sharing. Automation ensures that everyone stays up to date without bottlenecks or delays. Another key benefit is that automated processes significantly reduce errors. Manual data distribution can sometimes lead to mistakes or inconsistencies, but automation ensures the delivery of reliable, accurate insights every time. This builds trust across your organization because everyone can rely on the data they're using. Finally, automation isn't just about accuracy, it's also about saving time. By eliminating the need to manually send reports, your teams can focus more on analyzing data and making strategic decisions instead of managing logistics. All in all, automating data distribution with Power by Apps and workflows really helps you maximize your business intelligence efforts efficiently and reliably. Now, let's talk about setting up scheduled reports within Power by to really maximize your business intelligence. One of the key features is setting up notification alerts on your dashboard tiles. This allows you to inform users promptly when there are significant changes in key metrics, making sure everyone stays updated without needing to constantly check the reports themselves. To do this, you simply configure notification alerts. Once set up, these alerts will automatically notify users based on the criteria you specify. Remember, saving these settings is crucial because it automates the process, ensuring your reports are always current and relevant. Speaking of automation, it's important to ensure your reports refresh as per your schedule. You can choose how frequently you want the data to update, daily, weekly, or even at custom intervals. Setting the refresh time is equally important so that the data is fresh and ready when you need it. Now, to set this up, you start by opening your Power by report. Then, from the File menu, select Schedule Refresh. This gives you access to all the options you need to automate your data updates efficiently. Together, these features, notifications and scheduled refreshes, help keep your team informed with the latest insights, saving time and improving decision-making. It's all about making your Power by report smarter and more responsive to your business needs. Now, let's look at how Power Automate workflows can really enhance our reporting process. First, you log into Power Automate and create an automated cloud flow. This step is crucial because it lays the groundwork for automating our reporting tasks, making everything more efficient. Next, you choose triggers. These could be events like a dataset refresh completing. Triggers are important because they ensure our workflows activate exactly when they need to, so our reports are always up to date. Then, you add actions, such as sending emails with attached reports. These actions define how our reports are distributed, helping us save time and reduce manual effort. Finally, you save and activate the workflows. This final step ensures that our reporting runs smoothly and on schedule, streamlining our entire operation. By setting up these workflows, we're making sure reports are delivered on time, with less manual work, and giving us more time to focus on analysis and decision-making. Let's talk about how we can measure the impact of insights sharing. Regularly reviewing our metrics is crucial because it helps us see what's resonating with our audience and what might need some improvement. By doing this consistently, we ensure that our sharing remains effective and relevant to our goals. Now, to gather these metrics effectively, organizations often use custom tracking solutions through APIs. These allow us to collect tailored engagement data that aligns directly with our specific objectives. It's all about getting the right data to inform our decisions. Additionally, when we embed reports into web applications, Google Analytics becomes a powerful tool. It can monitor how users are interacting with these reports, how often they use them, which reports are accessed most, and overall user behavior. This helps us understand the reach and engagement of our embedded content. Finally, Power BI offers its own set of usage metrics. We can look at report views, see how many unique users are engaging, and analyze interaction patterns. These insights are invaluable because they help us evaluate how effective our shared reports are and reveal trends in user engagement over time. All of these methods together create a comprehensive picture, enabling us to continuously improve how we share insights and maximize the value of our business intelligence efforts. Now, let's talk about gathering user feedback, which is essential for maximizing the value of your business intelligence with Power BI apps. One key approach is establishing closed-loop feedback systems. These are automated follow-ups that show users we're listening and responding, which helps demonstrate our responsiveness and build trust. When users see that their input leads to real action, they feel more valued, and that fosters stronger relationships. Next, we can integrate this feedback data directly into our analytics dashboards. By applying sentiment analysis, we can detect trends in how users feel about our services or products. This allows us to identify patterns and make more informed decisions based on actual user sentiment, rather than just raw data. To get even more precise insights, we can use adaptive question logic in our surveys. This means tailoring questions based on previous responses, so we gather more relevant and actionable feedback. Customizing the questions makes the data more meaningful and helps us pinpoint specific areas for improvement. Additionally, implementing surveys or micro-surveys triggered after key events ensures we're capturing real-time user sentiment. This approach provides immediate feedback at critical moments, giving us a clearer picture of user experiences as they happen. Overall, these strategies, closed-loop systems, sentiment analysis, adaptive questions, and real-time surveys, work together to create a dynamic feedback ecosystem. They help us better understand our users, respond more effectively, and ultimately strengthen trust and engagement. Now, let's move on to some frequently asked questions about Power BI apps and insights sharing. First, I want to emphasize the importance of managing access control carefully. You should use role-based permissions to limit access to sensitive data, ensuring that only authorized users can view or modify certain information. It's also crucial to regularly review these permissions to maintain security and compliance across your organization. Next, organizations often centralize reports and dashboards through apps, which helps distribute insights in a structured way. These organization apps make it much easier for everyone to access relevant information quickly, streamlining decision-making processes. Another key point is automation. Using scheduled reports and Power Automate workflows allows you to automate the delivery of insights. This means stakeholders get timely updates without manual intervention, saving time and reducing errors. Additionally, integrating Power BI with Microsoft 365 tools like SharePoint and Teams enhances collaboration. Connecting your Power BI account with these tools allows seamless data sharing, making it easier for teams to work together and stay aligned. Finally, understanding what Power BI apps are is essential. They are collections of dashboards and reports shared within your organization, providing a centralized platform for accessing insights. This setup encourages better collaboration and ensures everyone has the information they need at their fingertips. Altogether, these features and practices help maximize the value of Power BI for your business intelligence efforts.